Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing another unboxing from Popmart's Skullpanda Le Impressionisme collection. And that took me a minute to figure out how to pronounce that, but hey, there you go, did it.
Yeah, we actually went to Popmart again back in July, which we got a lot of these, but we just wanted to find the right time to actually unbox these. But we did unbox a single one a little while back.
We did. So we unboxed one of these little ones a little bit ago. And this one, we'll just show you right off the bat which one we got. So we got, I believe it's called Lightning. So such a pretty part of the collection here. Sorry, I realized I had this little plastic wrap here, but it's all good. Just gotta keep everything safe. For protection purposes. Yes, so wanted to make sure that we mentioned our little friend, and who knows, we might get a secret. We might get a duplicate of this, which I would not be too sad about that because I really like this one. So hey, so we'll get things started.
All right.
Right, I think this is...
Well, first and foremost, we'll just get the seal off.
Okay.
You want to cut it off?
Yeah. This one. We'll just
Oh,
take
here
off
we go. It's right over here.
Yeah, I'll take off the little wrap here. It's been a pretty chill weekend so far, so we're very grateful for that. So we're just gonna go ahead and unwrap this here. Nicely sealed up. We got it from legitimate Popmart.
Yes, legitimate Popmart.
Legitimate Popmart. There is a seal. We have the bag. So there's that.
Yes.
All right. And per usual, I forget how we go about this. Oh yes, we have this little seal here. So I'll go ahead and put that in here. There you go. There's that. All right.
I think we got this for $2 something.
Yes, I believe so. I'm not entirely sure. But we got the whole box. I thought this was this looked really pretty.
Yeah.
Gonna show again what you can possibly get without having to lift the entire box. So you can get all these possible things here. And so you can get all these possibilities and then the secret possibly. We've been having some pretty good luck, so
We've pulled 2 secrets so far.
Yes, we
in all of
have.
our unboxings, so
Yeah. Alrighty, let's get things started. So excited.
We have 9.
We've got 9, and per usual, I want to start out with the middle one. Oh, all right. Let's see. Cool. There you go. Out of all of these, I would like to get, all of them are very pretty. Would love to get a secret. Would love to get, the blossom one looks really pretty, and so does windflower, but all of them just really look pretty, so I will be happy with any of them. So
I think the one in the box is Lightning, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mist.
And it's the one that we actually unboxed already on this one. So
Yeah.
all right. Let's see. All right. All right.
Don't look at the card.
I know. I'm making sure not to look at the card. All right. All right. Ooh. Okay. All right. Which one is this one? This one looks like it is the amber. Okay, so it's amber. Amber is this nice little beigey color here. Got nice beautiful details. I'm gonna take off the plastic wrap temporarily. But this is what that looks like.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It's got some details in the back here too. And it's really soft, really pretty. And it's got some pretty eyes. So the eyes are look really pretty too. Amber eyes. There you go.
The eyes always from Skullpanda are pretty well done.
Yeah, I really like them. All right, your turn, Chris.
The proof, amber.
Yeah.
Right there. All right. Let's see. I'm going top. Let's do front and center.
Yeah, there you go.
Front and center. Honestly, all of them are cool. we're guaranteed to at least get one of each. So let's just complete the set, shall we? Boom.
All right, which one do you wish to get?
The red one.
The red one?
Per usual.
Per usual, your favorite.
Good. Yes. This is a little dirty up top. Oh no, that's just the way it is.
I don't know.
Oh no, I think it's just the coloring.
It's just
in
the coloring, yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, anyways. This
one is, oh, it looks like,
it's a blue one.
It's a blue one. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. So this is the blue one. I believe this one is like a snow colored one, or is it snow? Or
this one is dew.
Dew. Okay, dew. There you go. Dew.
The dew.
It's very pretty. Love the angles. Love the sides. Matches my nails.
Yes, it does.
Really pretty. There's that.
All right. Dew.
Yeah.
Dew, amber, and lightning so far.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go left of center. Okay. All right. Let's see. You have to figure out a place to put all of these, but
We have many. Well, that's been cool unboxing these.
yes, it has been. It's really been nice and right. Don't open the card. Let's see. All right. Ooh, this is the one that you wanted.
Oh, the red one.
This is the
Blossom?
Blossom. This is Blossom.
Sorry.
So Blossom is this very, very pretty one here.
It's not like red, it's like a...
It's gosh, mauve? No, yeah. Mauve color?
Mauve.
Or crimson. There you go. Crimson. Crimson. I mean, it's a deep red. It's a deep red, but it has a pinkish hue.
Yes.
Right? Mm-hmm.
That's the way of putting it.
Yeah.
Pinkish hue.
Yes.
Let's call it crimson. Crimson sounds intense.
Crimson sounds really, really pretty, yeah.
Okay. I'll keep it uniform and do side, right?
Yep. All right.
This is number 4?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Number 4. All right.
Never get used to the boxes, even though you open these million
Yeah, I
times,
know.
you're just like,
All right.
do as much as possible.
Ooh.
Different one now.
Oh, this one is the
Mist.
It's Mist. There you
Okay.
go.
There you go.
Mist is.
A nice white color.
This is the Mist.
Mist.
That is so pretty. I gotta.
Oh, that's clean.
This is
It's
a
got
clean.
some glitteriness to
It's
it.
got some glitteriness to it. Definitely loving the colors on this. It's like a nice clean silver color, but it's got
yeah.
like a white. I mean, the entire thing is white, but you've got these silver accents, and then the eyes are silver as well.
Yeah.
And then, oh yeah, they've
yeah.
got these little
Details on the
accents, like
side.
little details on the side too. Pretty neat.
Very cool. I like it.
Love it. All right.
All right. On to number 5.
Okay. All right.
Ooh.
We have got. Oh, we've got the. Let me take a look. This, I think it is teak. I think it looks like teakwood. Teakwood.
We know for sure is the card. Teakwood.
Teakwood.
Has a bow.
Look at this. These accents, just like they're like all fairy, like cut out, like they're like fairy wings. There you go, fairy wings.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go. And then you've got the
okay.
eyes here. They're closed. forget if you can open these. I don't think you can. No.
The eyes?
No, you can't.
Let's not try.
No. I'm not gonna do that. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty for sure. Alright, your turn.
So we need Pond, Dawn. We have Amber, right?
Yep, we've got Amber. So we need Pond, Dawn. Oh, and Wind. Or is it Windflower?
Oh yeah, the pink.
The pink
Or
one,
is that
yeah.
orange? Kind of pinkish.
Yeah, pinkish.
All right, let's
Yep.
go top and center.
All right.
Switch up the pattern. Alrighty, on to the
Next one.
number 6.
Yep. Ooh, we've got the pink one. Yes. Yep, that's the pink
This is
one.
there you go.
So this is, I think it's called Windflower, but I need to know for
Yep,
sure from the
Windflower.
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 You got these pinkish. This is definitely more like a mauve tones. Yeah.
Nice coloring though.
Yes.
Big
it's
eyes.
Really, I love it. There you
The
go.
eyes are open.
There's that.
Alrighty. We're down to the wire. 3 more left.
You know. All right. Let's see. All right. Manifesting some good vibes here. All right. Okay. All right. We've got. What is this one? This one is
Pond.
Pond. Pond is very pretty.
Green.
It's a very jade green color.
Oh yeah.
You got the eyes. This is so pretty. You've got some unique details here. Sorry.
You're wearing a scarf or?
It looks like oh my gosh, rufflies like
Oh, yeah.
on the top. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, down to the wire here.
So you have
Down
Teakwood, Blossom, Pond,
Mm-hmm.
Light. Well, you haven't pulled Lightning yet, so maybe one of these are Lighting. We have Windflower,
Uh-huh.
Dawn,
Yep.
these two.
Yeah.
So we're missing Amber still?
No, we got Amber in the beginning.
Oh, okay.
Which one did we not
We
get?
missed Dawn,
Oh yes, Dawn. I think we're missing Dawn.
because we got Teakwood. 'cause
Yeah,
it's
we're
yellow.
missing Dawn. All
So-
right. All right.
Let's go.
All right.
Same time?
All right. Ready?
Card. Oops, I pulled off. Alright.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
And we got the last two.
Yay!
Lightning
we
and
got,
Dawn.
We got Lightning and Dawn.
A little duplicate over here.
There's that. This is really pretty. I really like Lightning actually. I'm gonna.
Lightning is pretty cool.
Yeah, Lightning was pretty. Was really
There
pretty.
you go. Lightning
The
again for
thing
the
is
record.
too, is that with some duplicates we can either give it away for friends or we can just again I feel like carry one on my purse. I like that too.
That
so
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
No secret pulls, but still these are probably the ones that we liked the most when we were walking around through Popmart, so we're waiting for an opportune time to open it.
Yeah.
So why not
yeah.
August?
Yes, absolutely. Well, thank you guys for coming along and can't wait until our next unboxing. So see you next time. Bye.